All right, what's up there, SEO pros? Today we're going to be going over how to get access to Google Analytics and Search Console and troubleshoot if there isn't access to these things. So sometimes you're going to be needing Google Search Console access and Analytics access if you're working with a client or doing an audit, just like you'll see out of this audit template here, which if you want to get this audit template, you can go ahead and purchase it in the description. But either way, first we're going to start with Search Console. So you're going to go over to Search Console, just type it in, click on it, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to a property. Well, we're going to assume that the property isn't there. So say you're looking and you want access to this website. So the way you're going to get access is you're going to go ahead and verify it. But first of all, let's say you're trying to get access for a client. Let's say you want access for a website that isn't on here. What you can do is you can ask them to go to their property. So we'll just say we're going to Chase Reiner. And then you can go to here. I believe it is users and property owners in the settings. And then you're going to add new user, put in their name. So we'll just say name@email.com. And then restricted access is fine. Full you only need if you're trying to index pages and whatnot. Although you might need this in the future if you are going to be working with them. So if they do want implementations after you do a roadmap, ask for full. Otherwise, if you just want to look at their data, just go to restricted. So once you do that, you'll be added. They'll be added in there, and you should be good to go once you get the email. So, say for instance, you're just trying to add a property. So if you want to just add a property, you just go like that. Name your website. We'll just say name@example.com, or sorry, name.com. There it is. And then if you want to verify it, you can do a couple things. You can upload this as an HTML tag in your website. You just put this in the header. You can link this with Google Analytics if you have Analytics set up first, and it'll verify that way. You can verify with your domain name provider. All you have to do is just follow the instructions in here, and you should be verified, good to go. Let's check Analytics now. So for Analytics, you're going to go over to analytics.com, and it's a very similar process. If you want to have somebody grant access to you, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Admin. You're going to go to, well, first of all, you're going to go to Properties, choose which account you want. So we'll say this one. Then you're going to go to Admin, User Management, and then you're going to add whoever you want in there to either edit or analyze whatever you want to do. So we'll say name@example.com. And you're going to want to leave this checked, notify new users, so that the people you're giving access to can get notified. And then you can let them edit, collaborate, read, or analyze. If you're just doing an audit, all you need is read and analyze. Cool, so that's it. If you want to add a property, all you have to do is go to here, back to the Analytics button. You're going to go find, oh, sorry, actually, you're going to go to Admin. You're going to go to Property Settings. Sorry, wait, hold on. 1 second. Here, you're going to click on Account, create new account, put in your website account or your account name, so just call it Chase Reiner example. Website name, chasereiner.com. Or sorry, Chase Reiner, yeah, whatever you want to call it. So we say the same thing. You're going to put this in here. You want to make sure it's the preferred version, whether it's the HTTP or the HTTPS. Same thing with Search Console. Forgot to mention that. If you are adding Search Console, you're going to want to make sure you add the correct version of the website. So if your preferred version is HTTP, you want to make sure you're using that. If your preferred version is HTTPS, you want to use that. And same thing if you're using WW or non-WW beforehand. Select your industry category, get tracking ID, and once you get the tracking ID, all you have to do is go ahead and copy this into the header of your website. Cool. So that's it for this lesson. I hope to see you guys soon in the next one. And until then, happy SEOing.